Sandy's always been a squirrel with her head in the clouds. Especially if those clouds are underwater. Well, in Bikini Bottom, do what Bikini Bottomites do. And that would be jellyfishing. Yeah, I wouldn't touch that. Let's see what else we can catch around here. It's your old pals, SpongeBob and Patrick. Now that's what I call a growing friendship. Let's show you guys all around the world above. Just don't forget to water them now and again. You know, Gary's giving me an idea. We can whip up our own snail, and we'll make it extra large. Remember, our little mollusk is gonna need a tough shell. As they say, life's better with a little swirl. Of course, when it comes to eye stalks, go big or go home. Our Gary's one of those fancy soft-shell snails. And he's here to take you places with style and comfort. Look guys, there's just enough room for SpongeBob and Patrick. And there's even room for just one more blanket. You seem so comfortable, why not take a nap? Who says you're too old for nap time? What better way to welcome our new guests than a welcome party? But what's a party without some cake? And what could be better than pineapple upside-down cake? Uh-oh, I think SpongeBob's getting homesick. This looks like a cake emergency. Time to call the experts.
Come on.
A DIY kit? Oh, I see. It just needs to be more festive. And this pouch has got all that we need to do that. First things first, we need to lay down some frosting. Now for some really familiar decorations. There's no denying who this cake is for now. Okay guys, does it meet your approval now?
Yeah.
Looks like Patrick could use a napkin, or a bath, which is exactly what you're going to get. But first, we'll need to whip up a tub. Of course, nothing beats another familiar face. Especially when we've got a friend with a spout. Good idea. Earl knows all there is about looking your best. Of course, a little bubble bath never hurt anyone. Come on, guys, the water's fine. But you love water. You literally live in it. But no one can say no to rubber duckies. Yeah, we're really big about sponges around here. After all, sponges and stars are some of Sandy's favorite things.
Yeah.
You're nice and clean, so why don't you relax? Let's get you some new clothes to change into. Is it me, or do the squares around here look alike? Either way, look at all these new clothes to try on. A suit and a fox costume? Well, they've both got tails. A bikini dress and an astronaut uniform? This is SpongeBob, not I Dream of Jeannie. And I don't think Bikini Bottom's in Eurovision. Of course, you really can't beat a classic.
Yeah.
Uh-oh, where's Sandy? Still dreaming about Pinhead and Dirty Dan? Guess the guys are looking to make new friends. Or just leave a trail of destruction, whichever comes first. Well, that sure woke her up. Hope you enjoyed your nap. Because you're gonna need to keep your eyes on them. These guys will need something to keep them busy. Well, if these videos have taught us anything, it's that cardboard can fix all our problems. Just make some holes and fill it with plastic. Of course, we want our new court to look its best. But with these guys, let's keep the ball safe and sound. Come on, boys, try to get it through the hoop. It seems so easy. At least until it's your turn. But don't worry, you'll have all the chances you need. Good, you guys remembered to hydrate. Kinda worried about that. Yeah, it's important to keep cool around here. I wonder if we can make a cardboard air conditioner. Well, maybe we can start off with our own fan. Make it yellow and brown, like SpongeBob. After all, where would SpongeBob be without his fans? Add some ice. And SpongeBob will keep things chill. Besides, there's nobody cooler than SpongeBob. And he likes to spread the cool around. Ooh, SpongeBob and Patrick are watching videos. Such a wonderful way to spend your time. Educational, too. Yeah, I wouldn't leave all that jellyfish jelly around. I don't think a bag of rice is gonna help us now. Uh-oh, Sandy doesn't look too happy. More importantly, how will you watch videos now? You two guys sure acted naughty, but the important thing is getting a new phone. We just need to get some pieces of cardboard. Now fashion it like an old belt buckle. But we'll need to make some extra screens. Especially with SpongeBob and Patrick around here. Wow, this thing is getting bars already. Okay guys, all is forgiven. Let's scroll our feed. Ooh, Squidward's had a glow up. Or a really great filter. Either way, we don't like to pass judgment. But a little constructive criticism's always welcome. You know, Plankton should stop his thieving ways. He's got a bright future as a content creator. While we've got the phone, why don't we take a few selfies? Here's an idea. Cover it with plastic wrap. Now why don't we help fill in the blanks? A picture is worth 1,000 words, especially when we make it into our new game. Don't worry, it couldn't be simpler. Just take a coin and start scratching. Pretty soon, you'll help bring all your shining faces back to light. Okay, we've got SpongeBob and Patrick, but don't forget Sandy. Hey Sandy, we found your wallet, but some cash was missing. Oh, never mind, there it is. Well, they sure like pretty pictures. Just wait till you see what they did to your debit card. We need to put your cash in a bank. Oh, that's it. We can make one ourselves. Grab an old milk carton, or just make one. Now sneak your secret stash inside it. And there's a slot on top for any loose coins. Now we can keep it stashed in the pantry. It should be safe, unlike our chocolate spread. See? Our money is safe. Good thing, too. We need to buy more chocolate spread. SpongeBob's here to see Patrick. Ooh, looks like he's out jellyfishing. Hold on, he must have forgot his hands. Is that his head? Oh, no, that's it over there. Keep looking until we find his pants next. Oh, don't worry. We can always rebuild him. Looks like this star will rise again. You can tell this is SpongeBob's luggage. It's got his face on it. All his stuff's got his face on it. And yet, his luggage still goes missing. It's such a shame to lose good slime. And it's important stuff from Goo Lagoon, too. The best part is when we've got all the colors collected. You can use it to make a bright, shiny rainbow. Why don't we give it a nice massage? Uh-oh, the colors are blending. Add something on top. Ah, is there anything that glitter can't fix? Mix it together, and what have you got? I'm not sure, but it kind of looks like a pumpkin. Until you open it up, and it's Sponge Block. Which means Patrick isn't too far behind. And look, we've even got Mr. Krabs. The gang's almost here. Oh boy, it's 3 a.m. You know what that means. It's time for a delicious Krabby Patty. Would you like Krabby fries with that? Open up, Patrick. SpongeBob made it with love. Nothing but the best for his best friend. And there's always room for dessert. Don't know why, but strawberry made him think of you. Something to wash it down. And for a little gas relief. I think he could use a wet wipe. Next, SpongeBob wants to play with a cardboard puzzle. Let's speed things up with a little karate! Next up, collect all of these pieces and stack them up together. It's just what we need to finish our special diorama. It's really nice, but it could use some colors. Yellow for SpongeBob. And pink for Patrick. Of course, we need to make sure to spread it around, too. Looks like a job for our trusty paintbrush. Make sure to clean it, or Patrick will end up orange. Don't forget a little white for the eyes. Plus some baby blues. Wow, it's almost like they're springing to life. Ooh, look at all of this colorful sand. About time Squidward made an appearance. He sure likes to make an impression, doesn't he? Now it's Mr. Krabs. Hope he doesn't charge us for this. Of course, we can't forget the star of the show. And we're not talking about Patrick. We mean SpongeBob. But don't worry, we haven't forgotten SpongeBob's best friend. Still, I think it's time we put our personal stamp on things. Actually, there's all sorts of things we can do with our friends. Though they might not keep in one place. Don't worry, we can always make more of them. Well, as long as we keep those cookie cutters. Okay, that was fun. But you know what's more fun? Why, it's bringing everybody together. In fact, we're gonna need a big mold for this next job. This SpongeBob's got a little bit of everyone inside him. But why don't we help him with these bubbles? You know how SpongeBob makes everything a party, especially when bubbles are involved. Oh, look, Patrick sure could use a shave.
Wow.
Well, at least he looks better than he smells. Smells like Patrick's in need of a potty party. Just relax and let nature take its course. Wow, those Krabby Patties ran right through you. A clean finish. If only that could describe the rest of you. Here, lie back, relax, and we'll give you a wash. Water won't do much on its own. Well, a sponge has gotta do what a sponge has gotta do. Just lather, rinse, and repeat. Seriously, repeat. And soon, our old Patrick is back. Look, it's a mini SpongeBob. And he's ready, he's ready, he's ready. Ready to start spinning, complete with light show. SpongeBob is a real party animal. Just wait until he does the bunny hop. But now, it's time for him to hit the floor. Ah, Gary's always been so supportive of him. Sandy's always been a squirrel with her head in the clouds. Especially if those clouds are underwater. Well, in Bikini Bottom, do what Bikini Bottomites do. And that would be jellyfishing. Yeah, I wouldn't touch that. Let's see what else we can catch around here. It's your old pals, SpongeBob and Patrick. Now that's what I call a growing friendship. Let's show you guys all around the world above. Just don't forget to water them now and again. You know, Gary's giving me an idea. We can whip up our own snail, and we'll make it extra large. Remember, our little mollusk is gonna need a tough shell. As they say, life's better